learning when the best time to drive and not drive. What I mean by that is you wake up in the morning, you go to sleep at a truck stop, and you get up, and then all of a sudden, you're just like, it's frozen. Nobody wants to drive in the freezing rain. Nobody wants to do that. So the difficult thing is going to be is to decide when to go and when not to go. Your dispatcher may say, hey, no, you need to go, 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 go. And that's when you might say, no, hang it up. You know, when it's freezing rain, I don't drive. When it's storming so bad and wind so strong that I can't drive more than 10, 15 miles an hour, I'm not going to drive. You're the captain of your ship, and you've got to make sure you're calling the shots. You have to do that.